Hey there, Internet Explorers, strap in, because we are about to journey into the wacky world of AutoGPT, an AI that's so independent it makes a teenager look like a toddler.
Emotional damage!
AutoGPT is like the Swiss army knife of AI agents. It takes a goal, chops it into bite-sized tasks, and munches its way through them using the internet and other tools like a hungry Pac-Man. Powered by OpenAI's GPT-4 or GPT 3.5, this baby is like the next-gen autonomous taskmaster ready to take over the world, one prompt at a time. Like its needy cousin, ChatGPT, AutoGPT doesn't need you to hold its virtual hand. It sets its own objectives and dives headfirst into achieving them without a peep from you. Talk about self-sufficient. This AI multitasker juggles memory, context, and action like a circus performer. It can search the web, interact with APIs, and even speak to you in a sultry AI voice.
Brings simplicity and elegance to the world of technology.
The cherry on top? AutoGPT can write, debug, test, and edit code like a caffeinated programmer. Rumor has it, it might even be able to improve its own source code. However, since its base system is off limits, it won't be hacking the metrics anytime soon. In a world where GPT-4 dropped jaws like a clumsy dentist, AutoGPT swooped in like a superhero, leaving a trail of GitHub stars and trending tweets in its wake. That's AutoGPT in a nutshell, folks. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video with your fellow AI enthusiasts.